Ah, the beautiful sound of the bulldozer. Mostly, usually that's an irritating sound, but this one's a good sound. Welcome to the RV Homestead. This is the third attempt for me to make this particular video for this particular project. Things just didn't work out the previous two times, so here we are, a beautiful February day. The bulldozer's on location. We're gonna go over here and see what we can see. Watch some of this transformation. So we're putting in the drive will be straight along this course here, and eventually we'll have the big barndo right out here, pretty much right where that tree is. It's already so much better. We're so excited. We've been waiting for well over a year to do this. So the driveway will come in and have a little S-curve. That way, once the bushes are regrown here, we'll have privacy for the front of the property. And then we will have a visitors parking area right here. All right, I gotta go back to the back and pitch a tent. It's amazing how much gets done when you got the right equipment. How much gets done and how fast. That John Deere has got it. It's done the job. Look at this. Wonderful. Now we just need a road. Building the Homestead Road. Step number 1. Cut your grade. You got to remove everything that is in the way. And you also want to start getting the construction site, not necessarily level, but flat. We had a lot of slope, as you can see. So step number 1 is to get things flat, get grades set, and get ready for step number 2. We're getting there. We gotta have clay. If we put rock right on top of the sand, it'll sink. So we gotta put down a nice thick layer of clay. And then step 3, we'll be topping it with whatever material is readily available and best suited. Your Homestead Road, it really helps to have the right equipment. This is the John Deere 650K. I don't know much about it. I just know it's a bulldozer. And it pushes dirt. So the blade articulates side to side and up and down. And of course it's a skid steer. Let's see. Cushion seats. Looks like he's got air conditioning, which would be a good thing to have in the summer when it's hot. Look at this, even got windshield wiper blades. That's one way to get it down. Why we need the clay. That's 6 inches deep. And I know it. He's moving down. We're spreading a lot of clay. About 20 loads worth. Almost forgot to turn on the time-lapse cameras. The compaction done. Truck full of damp clay. When they were dumping the clay directly on the sand. We got to watch this fully loaded dump truck come in and sink. Think the dump truck got stuck. seems that rock is kind of hard to come by right now. We have got the clay spread, heavily compacted, cut. I think the way James put it, James is the guy building the road. He said we spread the clay, we mash it flat with the dozer, then we bring in the heavy compaction, which was the dump truck, skim it, kind of smooth it out again with the dozer, and then we do an empty truck roll. So we got the empty truck roll. It's still kind of wet, so we need to let it cure a little more. And we can't get rock anyway. So it looks like we're not going to be able to get access to the rock, which is a byproduct of powering electric cars. It's called slag. We can't get any of that till later in the week. He said that's actually not a bad thing. That'll give this time to all dry out. So the clay will be dry, hard. He can come through with the blade, smooth that out. Smooth as a baby's bottom. And then we put the rock on top of that. So that'll end up being another video. I have nothing else to shoot video of right now here at the RV Homestead, so we're gonna close it out. I sure appreciate you stopping by. If this is your first visit to the RV Homestead, I'd be most honored if you would consider clicking on the subscribe button. We're gonna grow this channel. We're gonna start building stuff, start doing stuff out here on the 10 acres, and I'd be honored if you come along with us. For those of you who have already been following along, thank you. I sure appreciate it. And for my patrons, I'm so grateful. You guys rock. All right, y'all come back now, you hear?